6 tablespoons of soy sauce. Here we use Daejang brew soy sauce for all purpose. 5 tablespoons of regular sugar. You could substitute honey if you would like. 4 tablespoons of rice wine or mirin. 2 tablespoons of sesame seed oil. Here we have half a Korean pear, which is being grated. Now you can substitute a half apple as well, that's cute. Four tablespoons of minced garlic. 1/8 teaspoon of pepper. Freshly ground is always preferred. 800 grams of beef short rib, or you could use boneless ribeye, or just sliced beef. Any type can be used, but beef short rib that's boneless or with bone is absolutely preferred. That is what we call kalbi in Korean. Here she is individually soaking the beef in the marinade first. Now, once the beef is in the marinade, it's best to leave it at least half an hour, if not more, but up to 8 hours or overnight is absolutely preferred. As you can see in this video, those oyster mushrooms on the side could be sliced, and before sauteing, could be put into this marinade very quickly and sauteed alongside the beef or after the beef has been done. Also, onions, leeks, carrots could also be used. Sing song when I'm walking home, jump up to the top of the brown. Ding dong, call me on my phone, nice tea and I'll get my ping pong. This is dead heavy, can't hit the bass, boom, I'm ready. Life is sweet as honey, yeah.